level up, level up, level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Today day 2 we-girl child camp. Ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo. Izolo bekuyi-intro niyazi. So namhlanje ila ekuzoqala khona ama-activities.
It's a beautiful way to start a year with just getting the message of taking care of themselves, because it's very important at a young age so that it boosts their confidence, it helps with their concentration, depression levels. You know, when they're young, they need to be helped. They need a lot of attention at the young stage.
Mina ngize lapha namhlanje to become independent, to know how it is to meet with new friends.
I just keep elevating, no losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings, I turned it into money. Thank God I never settled. This view is so much better. I'm chilling, I'm winning, like on another level.
Ingane adesijima nazo from since morning. Excited.
This is a good way of actually instilling health and fitness at the very young age with the kids. I was just taking them through the paces. I just realized how unfit I am and they're so big.
The training session was so fun and hard at the same time, so I enjoyed it.
All this on me so young.
And then the next thing, i-camp lesivakashele kuyona isizothatha over la bazofunda khona izinto ezimayelana ne-leadership, ukusupportana in teams, and siyazi ukuthi kubaluleke kanjani in this day and age ukuthi abantu besimame from this age bafunde ukusupportana, bafunde ungasabi bebehlangana nama-obstacles.
Risk get dropped like weight. Team love don't want no hate. I'm grinding, I'm shining, up, I'm on my way. Thank God I never settle. This view is so much better. I'm chilling,